This villa is meticulously presented and is like brand new inside. Today we're here at 111/58 to 62 Ardisia Street in Smithfield at the Beaches Complex. This property's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 garage. There's not much not to like, so let's go and take a closer look. So as you just saw, that's been beautifully presented. You got solar, being located walking distance of James Cook University with 3 pools, a gym, a tennis court. There's not much not to like. I hope you see the first open home. I'm Nikolai Bursky from One Stop Property.